Okay, I hope this looks a little better. I adjusted the settings. What I want to do is I want to play a little game with you. What I did is I looked up some stats, and I wrote the numbers down on a piece of paper, and they have a letter. Um, and I wrote down the, I guess, description of that stat would be here. This just for me, though. But one thing I would like to do is, I'm actually going to take this and use this just like that. And I want to take it and see people do it. I'm definitely going to try to get some of my family to do it, and hopefully I'll be able to get them. I know I can at least one on camera doing this. So I'm going to do it to you. Heartburn going on here. So, your first statistic is 12,179. Hey. Actually, here, let me do this. Okay. Write this down, copy it in a piece of paper, typewriter program thing, or whatever. Car accidents, prescription pain meds, medical errors, accidents, murdered with guns, suicides, heart disease. Okay? Now, what I want you to do then is, if you wrote it down on a piece of paper, off on the side or whatever, put which one you think it is. So, A, 12,179. B, trying to pick it up, is 195,000. This is yearly average. C, 123,706. That's a little better. D, 42,636. I hope you guys can see these, because I can read them. I'm reading off the screen. So. I'm reading them right here. E, 600, 6,100, 6,067. That's a big one. F, 34,598. G, 365,000. Now, so which do you think those is? Which ones? The car accidents, prescription pain meds, medical errors, accidents, murder with guns, suicides, or heart disease? Well, I'll tell you what. Let me get my answer key up real quick here. Okay. Where did we go? A. 12,179 people murdered with guns. This is not in order. B. 195,000 people due to medical errors. C. 123,706 accidents, unintentional injuries. I'm going to put the actual links, these where I got this information from down there in the description area box thing. D. 123,700, wait no, 42,636 people killed in car accidents. E. 606,000, or 6 This number right here, 616067. Heart disease. 34,598 suicides. And the big number, 365,000. 365,000 people, my fault. Prescription pain medicine overdose. Now you look at these statistics, and what do you think we should do something about first? Because a lot of the gun groups, anti-gun groups anyway, are claiming that there's this humongous, like, death rate due to guns, when that's probably maybe a half hour worth of digging that I did to find those statistics. Yes, they're tragic. You know, dying of old age is tragic, but you know, do you really want to trample my freedom and do absolutely nothing to prevent murder? Or would you rather go after something a little bit more? I mean, seriously, I can't hold on, what number was it? 34,598 people kill themselves every year, and we want to take away guns. We're going to leave them with ropes. We're going to leave them with pills. We're going to leave them with rivers to drown themselves in, cars to run themselves into brick walls. Those are all fine. This is one of the problems that I have with these so-called anti-violence organizations. They're not against people killing each other. They're not against people killing themselves. They're not against people who commit crime. They're against guns, period. First off, call yourself what you are. At least Handgun Control Incorporated. You knew what you were getting. The Brady, what is it, the Brady Coalition to Stop Violence, or Brady Campaign to Stop Violence. So you're trying to stop violence by taking away the guns. So I can beat you with a baseball bat, that's okay.